Good morning, dear friends, and let's start with a series on Apache Web Server. It's mainly used to manage the web hosts or web pages. Though here we are not configuring or creating a new or a complex web page, we are basically managing it. It's just used to manage our web content, what we want to show, and how. So the service here is HTTPD service or Apache CTL is also used by applications somewhere. So by default, we'll use HTTPD service only. Let's see if it's installed anyhow. Okay, it's not at all installed. Let's proceed with installing it first. So it's installing all its dependencies as well. Apache has several other web features as well, like it is modular in nature. You can write your custom web page rules. You can write HTTPS security as well by providing a self-signed SSL certificate. Okay, no, so our HTTPD is installed as of now. Let's have a check if it's showing now. Yes, it's showing as installed. So the daemon here is HTTPD, and you can control the web server by HTTPD command. So you can check. So service is stopped as of now. Before starting it back, let's proceed with having a bit look on the configuration files HTTPD is providing. So the main configuration file we have here is http.conf. The path here is http://conf. This is the main configuration file for Apache. Whatever modifications you are making, you can make here, and that will be effective after a reload or a restart of Apache. Then this is our parent directory where you can file several other files as well. Well, it's a auxiliary directory basically where your configuration files are included. If you have two ways, either you can update your main http.conf file, or you can create your new files here as well. Okay, let's now try to start the server. Well, this error is just because it's not able to find the host name in the configuration file. We'll fix in just next video or next few minutes. It won't affect anything else. Now let me make it permanent on booting as well. So now it's on in every run level. We can check it by issuing the following command. So even if your server is powered off or restarted, this HTTPD service will be automatically started as per its configuration file. We'll explore the http.conf file in further sections. Uh, as of now, let's start checking other configuration aspects as well. Let's see exactly what processes it is providing. So in the process list, let's look for, so we can see like it is using eight, it is running eight processes, and that are owned by the user Apache. Also, it will listen to a well-known port 80. We can verify this behavior to see using a netset command to see if it's listening fine on the port. Yes, port 80 is listening fine. Now proceed with creating a test web page and starting with exploring this stuff. So once we'll explore the http.conf file, we'll tell you more info. As of now, since I am aware, so whatever by default, Apache will pick this structure to find the HTML files, and wherever it is file its HTML file, it will show this as the web page. Let's see exactly what is inside it. It's a null file, no, null directory. Let's create index.html file here. Let me create a content here. It's just a basic HTML file. For example, this is the file providing default web page configured on my server. Now, just to make the things effective, perform HTTPD restart. Let's test if the things are good or aren't or not. Somehow mistakenly I picked the wrong IP address, and this is 12.60. So you can see that default web page is displayed as of now. We can play further with different settings and different stuff in the Apache web page. That all is now as of now. One more thing, if your DNS or etc host is properly updated, then you can find this web page by using the server fully qualified domain name as well. For example, if I want to use test1.example.com, it will display me the same thing. I hope you are getting my point. Thank you very much.